All three come with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, as well as Denon's HEOS multi-room technology, which is compatible with the majority of streaming services. Thanks to AirPlay 2, the devices now function with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and even Apple Siri. The larger body of the 350, the flagship model in the lineup, includes premium stereo speakers and strong digital amplification. The 350 can be used alone, as a single speaker in a stereo pair, or two of them can be used as rear speakers in a 5.1 channel setup with Denon's DHTS 516H soundbar and subwoofer. This is true of all the speakers in the HEOS line. The Denon Home 350 has a sizable, well-built cabinet that gives it a professional appearance. It has a wraparound cloth grille with a status light underneath the Denon logo that is available in black or white finishes. Toughened glass makes up the top, which also has touch-sensitive controls that light up as your palm approaches them due to a sensor. Play or pause, volume up or down, and 6 presets for your preferred radio stations are included in the controls. You utilize the free HEOS app in its place because there is no remote control provided. The majority of the connections are wireless, including Bluetooth, Apple's AirPlay 2, and built-in Wi-Fi that supports 2.4 and 5 GHz. The rear of the device has an Ethernet port, a 3.5mm stereo analog jack, and a USB port for connecting external storage devices like hard drives and memory sticks. Since there is no headphone jack, lowering the level is necessary for late-night listening. In addition to the physical connections, there are buttons for pairing Bluetooth devices and joining the HEOS network. The speakers of the Denon Home 350 are outstanding, with two 3/4-inch tweeters, two 2-inch mid-range drivers, and two 6-inch woofers for the lowest frequencies. This is a very well-equipped wireless speaker, with 6 Class D digital amplifiers to power each driver. The Home 350 can play practically any audio format, putting these speakers in the appropriate amplification to good use. As a result, this wireless speaker provides gapless playback of high-resolution audio files in FLAC, WAV, ALAC, and DSD 2.8 or 5.6 MHz formats, utilizing a network or the rear USB connection, up to 192 kHz or 24-bit. When used with other HEOS-compatible devices, the HEOS app enables quick and simple access to your wired or wireless network, enabling the creation of a multi-room system. You can group two HEOS-compatible devices to form the left and right channels of a stereo pair, in addition to playing the same or different music in multiple rooms. Even better, you can build a true 5.1 system using two HEOS speakers as the rear channels and a soundbar that is HEOS-compatible. The software lets you customize the status light's brightness, as well as the touch control's brightness and fade-out time, along with giving you direct control over a number of embedded music services including Tidal, Amazon, Pandora, Deezer, Spotify, TuneIn, and SoundCloud. It also enables you to adjust the bass and treble. You may continue streaming music without needing to have your smartphone connected to the Home 350, because the apps are built right inside the speaker. Additionally, room-ready, the Denon supports AirPlay 2 and Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Currently, accessing Amazon's and Google's smart assistants requires a separate external device, but it appears that a forthcoming firmware update will enable the two microphones on the top panel, enabling voice interaction without the need for a third-party device. With just a few clicks, you can rapidly connect to your home network and set up a HEOS multi-room system with the Denon Home 350. If you have many HEOS devices, you can play music on them all at once, separately, or even in groups. This speaker and any other linked HEOS device may be easily controlled via the app, which has a straightforward appearance. The multi-room system that is created by the HEOS network is extremely effective and responsive. The synchronization is great, and there is no audible delay. The playback is equally fluid as the control and interaction are. The Home 350 connected to an Amazon Echo without any issues and performed nicely with Apple AirPlay 2 devices. From the outside, the Home 350 appears quite straightforward, thanks to its understated finish and simplistic appearance. However, as soon as you start listening, you realize this is a better performer in terms of sound quality. Denon is skilled at both building speakers that sound great and driving them correctly. This is immediately clear thanks to a huge, strong delivery. Unlike most wireless speakers, the Home 350 won't be overpowered when placed in a big area. It has enough headroom and amplification to play loud without clipping or sounding strained. This speaker has decent stereo imaging capabilities despite its small size, and it delivers a surprising amount of bass that gives the low end a strong foundation. But it's more than just a brutish powerhouse with no subtlety. This speaker benefits from an unobstructed mid-range, a well-defined treble that is devoid of harshness or tiredness, and a clear, detailed delivery. With a balanced performance across the full frequency range, the Home 350 ensures a successful delivery. The vocal clarity is superb, and the sound quality overall maintains a pleasant warmth. Because the bass is properly incorporated, the audio is strengthened rather than overpowered. Regardless of your musical preferences, this speaker is guaranteed to impress with its wide and believable soundstage, because there is also a sense of scale to the presentation. Regardless of the size of the room, the Denon Home 350 is an excellent wireless multi-room speaker that produces a powerful presentation. The 350 is a rather uncommon wireless speaker, since it can create a soundstage that can accommodate even the largest rooms, but it can also offer a level of finesse and precision that is occasionally lacking from speakers of this size. The Home 350 is a wonderful upgrade if you currently have a Denon HEOS multi-room system installed. With network access, nearly every streaming service, Apple AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth, it's the ideal place to start if you're not already. The market for wireless speakers is enormous, and the variety is currently practically limitless. Naturally, Sonos continues to rule the multi-room market, but the Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomePod speakers are rapidly gaining ground. The Harman Kardon Citation 500 is the logical substitute because it costs the same and has a very similar appearance. It offers a detailed and strong sound that can successfully compete with the Home 350 and is equally well proportioned. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.